Hey DNG squad, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Diego Garcia, and today we're gonna react to Budgie Marx, and let's get started. Okay, we're gonna react.
Okay, so we made it.
CGP goes to Diego's.
Yeah.
And now we're finally gonna go to Diego's house.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh,
Man, we've been traveling for hours, and we're finally gonna make it.
I can't believe part 5 special is gonna be the last part, though.
Yeah.
Oh, look, Bruce Lane. I love that
Let's go,
stuff.
let's go. Man, we finally parked your car.
Okay, so right now they're walking to Diego's house.
We finally found it in their car.
Yeah.
So we're heading home.
Oh, look, I think there's an antenna satellite over there.
That's cool. So we're almost there, home. And yeah,
One antenna satellite.
Satellite first. See if we can add a little extra.
Fine, let's go. Let's do it quick as people come. Alright, let's go. Quick, come on.
Please.
Why do you want to see the satellite?
And
Because I
a
want to.
what?
I think it'd be great in this video.
I think they just found something.
Wouldn't you agree?
No. Oh, there's a satellite.
And this
Okay.
is.
Let's go now.
We will communicate with Diego.
Oh, it smells so bad in here. I'm out.
Okay, yeah, let's go. Let's go around back. Come on, so that way the kids.
Alright.
Yeah, it's very wet here. It's super.
So yeah, we've been walking for hours trying to find our way here. I remember I told you guys to subscribe. And you might subscribe to your
Wait, we went in a car.
Okay, it's a little bit interesting so far.
Alright, let's run.
We didn't go by foot. We went in a car. Hey, wait for me. Oh god.
The quality is a little bit weird when we run.
Diego's house here. Diego's house.
Why do you keep showing your face in the camera? I said
wanna
that.
show my face.
Okay, not this time. You showed them
Is
last
it just me?
time.
Okay, well, yeah. Alright, the moment of truth.
Oh, look. It's Diego's bike right there. See it? The pink one.
Does Diego's bike?
And that's where his dog sits.
Okay, yeah. His dog, Toby.
Oh, and Jerry, you know, Room Alex does subscribe to your channel.
Oh, wait, really?
Yeah, shout out to Room Alex S.
Yeah, thank you for
I thought it was your
subscribing.
bike.
Room Alex S, you're the god.
Rom Alex S.
Rom Alex S.
That's what I like to call him.
Rom Alex or Clone Trooper.
That's what he used to call himself that. Now, come on.
Here we go.
Dog barking now. And they finally made it to Diego's house.
No. Here we go. You guys ready to open this door? Guys, we're home. Let's go.
I'm gonna hide.
No, right here. Ready? Wait, when he opens the door, you have to come. Man, our family's gonna be happy.
I feel like if this is gonna be a bit too far.
No, it's not. We're home. One's a minute. How's that?
Are they
minutes only.
trying to hide from Diego?
The lights are on. Let's check again. Open it. Come. Come. Wait.
Hey,
Diego.
welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog, Diego.
Okay.
Dude, not right now. Do it because of the vlog. Look at Toby.
Toby. Wait, no, don't give him Mario. You could get him Slobbery.
Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, we made it home, guys. Look at Diego.
No, don't. So yeah, actually recording, bro.
Yeah. Look at him. He's gonna
Toby.
move the camera.
Well, okay, fine. This is as close as we could get.
Yeah, Diego.
Yeah, so this is gonna be Diego's house. Or what should we call it? Diego's adventure? I don't know.
Room Alex S.
No, this is not about Room Alex S. We're not visiting him. Not this episode, anyway.
Okay, let's go. Let's go do some stuff.
I can't.
Why? Oh, what?
Oh, there's Diego.
Sit here. I haven't eaten.
Oh,
Oh, why
are
do
you
have to-
home alone?
My mom and dad's home.
Oh, why do you
I
have to?
haven't ate.
Oh.
Okay, like what?
Let me see. Actually, dude, that looks like the. Dude, this.
Wait,
Show
don't
it,
get him.
Show it.
Don't get him sticky though.
Imagine that shows up in the thumbnail.
Oh wow. Wait, don't get him sticky.
Give me him. Oh, wait, let me do it.
SML.
Hold on, let me
I see that Yoda shirt.
Yeah, but this is not SML. This is
Yeah.
budgie marks.
Budgie Marks. Alright,
Oh,
so
Jared Marks.
Jared Marks. That should be your name, Jared Marks.
Eric plays. What's gonna be your
Why?
YouTube
Because
channel?
he plays himself?
I'm not gonna have one.
Why? You should make money.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, make money.
No, are you actually recording it now?
Hey, Diego, did you know that when you talk, time slows down?
Actually?
Yes.
That's not true.
Yes, it is. Yeah, time. No, I haven't gotten those yet. Stop shoving your face in the camera. I've already told you ever since last time.
Okay. So yeah, we finally made a part 5 coming soon.
What does he always show his face on the camera?
Part 5.
Yeah, part 5 is gonna be the last part.
Yeah. Okay.
Dude,
So
are you actually? Oh my god.
we're recording. We're gonna record your
Let me see.
face.
No, let me see this.
It's a bird.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, don't throw that. Don't throw that. I need it. I need it. Give me, Diego.
Oh,
No.
he's trying to chase for his budgie mark. He's trying to chase for his plushie.
Okay, this is okay. Okay, this video's got too cringy so far. Eric,
The video got cringy now.
Okay, right? I.
Wow. Help me, stop.
Why is the video so cringy?
Oh god, don't get on the roof. Guys, don't get on. No, no. I would have to gone up there for that, you know. Yeah, let's not throw it on the roof.
But they're just tossing the plushie. And the video being
Oh, you
cringy.
better not. Or else I would have done that to Twitch. Yes, finally. Finally, this cringy video.
Are you still recording?
Yes. That was fun.
Finally, now the video's
Oh,
not
yes.
cringy.
Yes. My turn, finally.
No.
No, I'm kidding. No. I don't have the actual Mario yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all I could get.
Okay, let's
You
go.
have the big nose Mario.
Yeah, Mario.
Is he bald?
Hasn't
Yeah,
Mario
he's
always had a big nose?
No.
Mario always has a big nose.
He
Yeah.
has a big nose.
No,
No,
both have big noses.
Oh,
No, Toad doesn't have a nose.
big nose.
Yeah, so this video is very bad. It's gone off to a bad start now. Oh!
Bro, cringy on the camera film.
Yeah. Yes, behold Diego Gian Diego.
Oh, he fell.
You better not.
Diego, he left.
Did he just...
I see you.
Oh, there's it.
I see you, Diego Gian. I'm gonna zoom in. I love this
So what is
zoom
Diego
in feature.
Gillen doing?
Look, I see him.
He plays Temple, right? Who plays Temple Run at this time?
Temple Rad
He plays Clash of...
in feature. Look, I see him.
He plays Temple, right? Who plays Temple Run?
Bro, what is he doing?
Temple Rad.
He plays Clash of Clans.
He fell.
Diego Gian says I go old school when he too goes old
No, look
school.
what he plays.
Temple Run.
Clash of Clans.
Yeah, Diego Gian, you say I'm old school because I wear Skechers. You play Temple Run and Clash of Clans.
Clash of Clans.
That's twice the old school than what I have.
Why is he still... You're still zoomed in.
Yeah, these are not sketchy.
Oh no, Diego Gian's gone.
Okay. Now we're gonna watch CGP and Friends Among Us Real Life and Innocent Win.
Another Budgie Marks video.
Let me know if you guys like the intro.
Yeah.
Was the intro
yeah.
good? Jared, was the intro good?
Yes, it's gonna be a famous.
Alright, so what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna be doing Among Us again, but this.
Among Us, someone say Among
Okay,
Us?
so
Yes.
I
the
want to be in the
plushies
video.
are
Yeah, but
playing
this time
Among Us in real
the
life.
innocents win.
Well, what innocence? Who knows? The
This is
innocents
gonna
might
be
win, the
interesting.
innocents might lose.
Well,
All right,
guy
who knows?
won. The cap guy won
Yeah.
the last time.
Listen, what are you doing here again?
They invited me over, so
Why do you? At least the fat guy's in here again.
Yeah, he said he was busy doing stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was
Okay.
working out. He was trying to lose weight.
How come you haven't? Is he at the gym right now?
Yes.
Actually,
What?
no, he's at a home
Now
gym.
there's
So
two
yeah, he's lifting weights
Angry
right now. That's
Birds.
what the guy said he last saw
You better
him.
lose weight later.
Yeah,
I've never seen him more skinny. Yeah, he's gonna be way skinnier. At least he's not in this video.
Yeah.
oh yeah.
All right.
Imagine if he was, he'd be
Are
40.
you finding a Halloween special on it?
Yeah, Saturday.
All right. So we're gonna. Okay, I'm gonna discuss the task. Okay, so let me think of a task. Okay.
But I won't be,
Yes.
I won't be
Oh.
here for the rest of the
Okay.
day on Saturday.
Oh.
I'm going to my brother's house
Okay.
for Halloween.
Oh, where does your brother live?
All right,
Okay,
guys.
so-
I'm gonna,
Right, that this was Among
I'm
Us
gonna explain the task.
in
Yeah.
real life.
Okay, so the first test will be. What are those things?
Oh
called?
wait, there, I think there.
You have to. Each person. Each person that is innocent has to grab 5.
Making the task for
Right there.
Among
Okay.
Us.
And
Okay.
Let me think of. Oh, another task is those leaves right there. Those leaves, you have to grab each person except for the imposter. All the innocents have to grab at
I
least
know where
3.
they are.
No,
They're
each
by
of
the
them,
little
each of them.
Okay.
And then another. What was another task? Let me think of another task.
Is that you have to put all those things together?
Oh, another task is you see that bush over there?
Yeah.
You have to dance on it.
Oh yeah, that
Everyone
tree
at
over
the same
there.
time except for the imposters.
No,
So-
everyone.
All right, fine. And then the last task is you have to go all the way over there. And
Find a pink button and push it, and then come back.
yeah, and then you're done. Okay.
Find a
I'm
big
gonna discuss
button.
the imposter. All right, I
Okay.
want everyone to look back. I'm never gonna make myself imposter. He does not know how to play games. He does not know he's a freaking. I don't even know how to sing it. He does not know how to do anything. He doesn't even know how to fly.
Yes, I do.
No, it's my son. He doesn't know how to play Among Us. That's just, okay.
Okay.
Oh, sorry about that, guys. I was doing some stuff.
I'm gonna have him hold it.
Okay, ready? Okay.
Yeah. So.
All right. So, ready to play?
So who's the imposter?
Imposter. Are you sure? You're the imposter. I can tell.
And who are the crewmates? And why
Yeah,
is
that's
Mario's
what's happening.
face
It's just a stick.
black?
Suspicious. Okay, let's just
And his
start.
Okay,
arm.
so yeah, let's get on to let's go pick some poppies.
All right. So just let you know, guys, the imposter doesn't do it.
Oh.
So who will be the imposter?
I don't know.
Okay, just one person has to do it. I'll do it. I call doing it.
Okay.
And
Alright,
what?
we can't do it.
I can barely see the video because
Yeah,
it's,
it's getting
Pause the
dark.
video, pause it.
it's dark.
Oh, never mind. Yeah.
All right.
Ooh,
Okay.
look
Now I
at
can
that
see
chain.
better.
Oh wait, hold up. You can't.
To hold the imposter in.
Oh yeah.
Are those
Okay, so-
roses? Yeah, those are roses, I think.
Yeah, you have to collect 10 of those.
No, just 5.
Oh,
Yeah,
5?
I said 5.
Okay.
Alright,
That was
5.
10.
2.
Wait, hold on. Look at the moon, you guys.
Okay.
Or the
I got 4.
moon.
5. All right. What did I bring up?
Oh.
Come this way.
Oh, yeah, we don't put it in the
5
grass. over
roses.
All right. Yeah.
there. Okay, so now we go and pick some these from the bushes over here.
You look suspicious, CGV. You look suspicious.
What? It's just a stick. I ripped it off.
Are you sure you're not the imposter?
No.
You could be the imposter. Yeah, you look suspicious.
Well-
Yeah.
Who can be the imposter this time?
There's a stick right there, or I think that's
you guys are creeping me
connected
out.
to
Alright.
his.
Whoever. Wait, we can know who's the imposter. But you know why?
Why?
That one person doesn't have to grab the leaves.
Mario's face is still dirty.
Right. The imposter doesn't get to grab the leaves. Is that right? Yeah. All right. So we all have to grab the leaves. All right, let's go. Wait, what are you? Grab, you know.
Okay.
It could be CGP.
Why I gotta leave?
Bruh,
Wait,
I thought you were.
Who could be the imposter?
Nah. Okay.
Oh,
Are you guys pretending
you
to
have
be in
grab
the
leaves.
woods or in the jungle? Or in the forest?
Come on. Ah, got it. Yeah, you're dropping the leaves.
Or
I
in
feel
the
like
bush?
Something's wrong with you. Alright, so I'm gonna drop these leaves here. Okay, I'm not dropping
Hold up,
my
wait.
stick.
The camera. Oh, wait, we got it. All right then. Where to next?
Now we have to go dance in the tree.
Oh,
Yeah, now this one everyone has to do it at the same time. So yeah.
all right.
It got more dark, but I.
And dance.
Oh, I
Wait a
thought that was
minute.
a moon.
What? Stick.
Come here, come here.
What?
Emergency meeting.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So
Emergency meeting. I had a clue of something.
what?
Okay, hold up.
Dude, I really want to do that tree thing.
Alright, so what do you want to discuss about?
So what do you do? Are you guys actually finding?
My question is, who is the
Wait, wait, wait,
imposter?
There's a
wait,
hole
wait.
there.
Hold up. My son looks suspicious. You look suspicious. Kind of do. Feels like it. Well, we have to choose who the imposter gonna be. Yeah, who can it be? You know what? Since this happened, I'm gonna vote you.
Yeah, I'm gonna vote him.
Yeah, we're gonna vote him. All right, son.
Yeah, who is the
You have to
imposter?
go through the vent. We all voted you.
Okay.
All right, come.
Okay, in you go.
Oh. No, you need to jump. No, just put your stuff.
Okay, so yeah, the red guy,
Wait, hold
his
up,
son.
wait, hold up. Was he an imposter?
I think so.
Hold up,
Who's
let me
that?
see.
What?
Game, was he the imposter?
Unknown command.
No. Oh, dang, it wasn't the imposter. It's one of us. I feel like it's CGP.
I feel
has to
like
be
it's
one of us.
Mario,
It was.
but at the same time, I feel
It's
like
gonna be
it's
the imposter
GGP.
Well, let's just dance on the tree. I really want to do this. And
be the imposter.
pick a branch. Pick a branch. Come on.
Alright. Yeah,
The weird dance show. Ow.
oh no.
Ow.
You already have a
Yeah, I
branch.
feel like
Why
if
are you
you're
picking
gonna
another
be
one?
The imposter.
Nah, there's no way he would be the imposter. I'm not the imposter.
You were
Alright,
last
we're done.
time.
We're done.
Okay. Yeah, okay, so now for the last time, one
Oh,
person
it's
has to
dark
go over there and
again.
push the pink button.
Alright, no one follow me.
You're gonna go do it?
Oh, yeah, no one follow me.
Okay, so yeah, go.
Alright,
When it's dark again,
come on, let's go.
can barely see.
It has to be CGP. I can tell it's CGP. Ah! We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Wait, I don't see anything.
Right there.
I can't see this. It's so dark.
I can barely see
No, what do you?
what they're doing.
Let's do the video.
All I see is some grass
No, I missed.
and Mario on the ground.
Who
Okay,
is the
cool.
imposter? Alright, get on.
Okay. Hey.
No, we made it. We made it. We did all the tasks. Now who is the imposter?
Wait, I thought you guys were going.
No, we're finished.
I thought it was only one person going, I mean.
No, we're done. Now who is the imposter?
Oh, I thought
Yeah,
Mario.
it is kind of scary over. Oh, God, no, yeah, it's just lights.
The imposter got Mario.
Yeah, something scared me,
Whoever
actually.
slides down is the imposter. Hold up, show it all of us. Whoever, okay, here we go. The game is gonna decide. Whoever falls down first is the imposter. Okay, ready? Whoever falls is the imposter. It's gonna slide someone else. Here we go. 3,
Are they
2,
sliding?
1, go.
Are they trying to slide down?
Wait, who's the imposter?
But what happened to the other Angry Bird?
At least I'm spectating.
Wait, are we all the imposters?
No, who's the imposter?
Tell me, one imposter. I'm just spectating.
Who is it?
Yeah, he's a ghost.
Who
He's
is
not
it?
real.
Wait, who is it? Someone has to slide off.
He's gonna slide off.
Ah,
The
You're
fuck?
no!
Yes, yes, he's
Ah!
the imposter.
Oh, now they're attacking each other.
Okay, come on.
Yeah, bro.
No, I have to go to the vent. No, no, not the vent. Not the vent. Not the vent. Anything but the vent. No.
Well, where'd you come from?
Back. Why?
Oh, yo, what's up? Yo, we won the game. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm a ghost.
How do we unghost?
There is an Angry Bird.
We just get our imagination. It was just
Alright,
like
ready?
the last video.
Clap. Wait, we have to clap. Alright, you guys are no longer ghosts.
Okay.
Hey, you guys are no longer ghosts.
Okay, so yeah, we have reached the end of our video. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.
If you please do enjoy,
Comment,
give
like, and subscribe.
oh god, oh.
It's just a Halloween special. Something else. Something else.
Yeah, it's gonna be something really funny and spooky at the same time. So yeah,
Alright.
it's gonna be a real surprise actually. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah.
Comment. I'll give you guys a heart.
Did the imposters
Yeah,
win?
subscribe to me.
Us.
Yeah, shout out to Rumax683
I think the imposters
my
win.
page.
What about me?
You don't have a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
You're
do.
poor, Steve.
You're not enough, son. You only have 300 subs.
What about you?
Me? Wow, who makes a YouTube?
I'm guys, I'm also put
YouTube channel.
budgie
I
Marx
don't know.
Come on, bro.
YouTube channel in the
You haven't grown
description,
your legs yet.
and
I'm still pretty old.
No, you're not. You're 7 years old.
Yeah, he's a vet. He doesn't have
Yeah.
any arms or legs.
Yeah, how do you touch stuff? Look at me. Look at me.
Those
so you guys
legs.
go subscribe to budgie Marx.
That was makes me move.
Okay.
I wonder what that looks
I
like.
think.
Okay, so
Bro,
yeah,
you're not even
yeah.
close
Subscribe to
growing
my channel.
your, you haven't even close
Push
to
the
growing your
bell.
hair.
Push all.
Let me show
Click, or
Look at
click
your
all.
hair. Alright.
And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys all next time.
No,
Bye.
the vent!
Yeah, bye guys. See you next time on my channel. Like and subscribe.